Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the trailer and exposing the brakes. Chock both sides, lower jack stands, and remove the wheel. This prevents movement while you work. Once the hub or drum is off, take time to note magnet and shoe orientation so you can reinstall correctly. You must disconnect the brake actuator wiring connector before touching electrical components. As you look, identify worn shoes, leaking seals, or damaged springs. Those are the parts you'll replace first to restore proper braking. Next, remove the worn shoes and return springs carefully, keeping track of hardware placement. Once components are out, clean the backing plate and contact points. This reduces noise and binds. Install the new shoes and springs, using the adjuster to set initial clearance. You want slight drag when the drum goes back on. Reattach the magnet and ensure wiring is routed without pinches. You should torque fasteners to spec and double-check that moving parts rotate freely, yet engage when actuated. Finally, reassemble the hub or drum and torque the wheel nuts to the correct spec. Reconnect the brake wiring and actuator. Once done, perform a low-speed test. Apply the manual override or plug into a 12V source to energize the magnets while someone watches wheel response. Make sure brakes engage smoothly and release fully. If braking is weak or pulsing, check battery voltage at the connector, readjust shoe clearance, and inspect magnets for glazing or wear. Those fixes clear the most common post-service issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.